We bought this Vevor diesel heater maybe 2 years ago, and we have used it like 50 hours in total, I think. So not much, but it has saved our day. We have used it in our camper van that we have here, Transporter T4, and we have figured that this diesel heater is a really good setup for a van like this. It has turned out to be really handy to have with you on summers when you have rainy days and little chilly nights. Then you can put it on and run it for a while and then turn it off again, and you will have a much drier environment in the cab. And also before laying down and sleep, so then you can warm up the cab a little. And also in the mornings when making coffee, you want to have some warm air going through the van. And for those who know, when you're camping and sleeping in a car in the mornings, it's really much humidity and moisture building up in your windscreen and side glasses, so you really want to have a diesel heater like this. In this video I'm going to try to get this diesel heater to run a little more silent. As I already said in last video, I have bought a silent click pump, or more silent click pump, and then what's original in this. So I will try to open this up now and check if this is going to fit there, and if it does, then we will swap it out. But before open it up, I will have it running for a while for you guys so you can hear the click sound, and then we will check later with that new pump if there's any difference before and after. So let's start this up. So here you have your control screen, and this is the warm air blowout. So the left pipe is the air intake for the burn chamber, and the right hole is for your exhaust. I'm using 12-volt battery to run this. So here we have the exhaust. Just like that. And then we open the door. Okay, so let's try to start it now, and I have this remote control that comes with the machine. So let's try put on. There is a glow plug that will start heating up the burn chamber, and then in a while it will start clicking, and the pump will spray some diesel into the burn chamber. So now it's really started up, and so when it starts, it's the warmest setup, and you can change here minus. Yeah, and as you probably heard, it has a loud clicking noise, and good luck trying to sleep with this in the van. And yeah, let's open it up and try if this new pump will fit. I bought this pump from Temu. It's Chinese, as you can imagine. Uh, yeah, I paid about 12 euros for it, so it wasn't so expensive. So it is worth trying if it will run more silent. The cup here. Okay, here we have the heater unit, apparently, the fuel tank, and the pump. As you see, I have red diesel in it. It's meant for farming here in Finland and working machines. And then that's the fuel what I have here. Okay, let's try to loosen that up and change it. Off the pump here. Yes. I think I will cut it off. It's so stiff. Okay. Okay, guys. To me, it looks like this is a scam. Maybe it's exactly the same pump. No difference. No difference really. So it means I have a spare pump now, and but I will put this guy around it if this will make it more silent. But I will do a hack job. I will do some Biltema Bilbutics tape around it and see if it would improve more quietness. Okay, I will put click that on. Yeah, and then this guy. But it's really designed for these, so I don't know if it's a scam to get people to try to buy more stuff from China or something, but hole 8 millimeter bolt. Yes. I think I need to warm that up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, and that pump goes there and the bolt through. And then a nut on it. Yeah. Click. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be any better. Okay, up to evidence. Let's start it like this and then put the cover on so we can get the equal test environment or equal results. How do you say that? Yeah. Okay, let's try. Okay. Soon it's going to start. Ah, maybe it's more silent. But you can see it's more bubbles here. I don't know if this is going to bleed itself or if I should do it or how it works. Much air bubbles going on. But it's coming smoke. Maybe they will go away. Or not. Let's take it down a little. Okay, friends, I don't think I improved much, but maybe 10% more quiet than before.